This is my favorite product skincare yang I pakai everyday. But I wanna tell you guys. Ingat tak last year I ada join Bio Gold event? And yes, today I'm here for Bio Gold too. Sebab Bio Essence baru launch their 24K Black Gold Caviar Cream. Setelah I explore, the luxury ingredients is black caviar, which helps renews, firms, restore radiance and power skin with antioxidant. Baru-baru ni I try pula the new caviar cream. Yang I duk pakai tu rupanya ada nano gold peptide with 24K gold. It helps firms and restores radiance, renews skin, brightens and even skin tone. Provides antioxidant defense, soothes and calms while reducing wrinkles and lines. But guys, I really enjoy the event. Kat sini you boleh check how condition on my skin. So, the new Black Caviar Cream yang baru launch. So, korang boleh dapatkan now dekat Guardian. Don't wait until wrinkles show up baru nak start anti-aging ya. In just 3 days, you will see younger looking skin.